Chrome OS tablets soft launched earlier this year with the Acer Chromebook Tab 10, but now they are going mainstream with the Pixel Slate, Google's very first Chrome OS powered tablet, and boy is it one impressive piece of hardware. So it's Damien once again taking a look at a brand new piece of hardware from Google, this time the Pixel Slate, which aims to change the way we look at tablet devices thanks to a new version of Chrome OS. The actual quality of the hardware is what impressed me the most during my short hands-on time, with the aluminium body a little prone to fingerprints but still incredibly attractive. Rounded corners make this a much more inviting device to hold and truly differentiate from the previous Pixelbook with its sharp corners and edges. The display might not be edge to edge and it's technically only 3K, but boy does it look impressive in the flesh. YouTube videos and general OS touches look amazing on this 12.3 inch panel, even despite not having a HDR enabled display. The dual front firing speakers will no doubt be a major differentiator between this and other similar tablet hybrid devices on the market too, but weren't something we could really delve into during my short time with these units. Performance on this Intel M3 powered test model is superb. I only saw one app crash, which was my own fault due to messing around with the new black colour Pixelbook pen, another impressive compatible device. The fact that you can run a full version of Chrome, have access to the growing Chrome OS library and Android apps makes the Pixel Slate a much more attractive option. Personally, I think the hardware is the most impressive aspect of the Slate. The optional detachable keyboard feels sturdy, detaches and attaches easily, whilst the keys and trackpad are utterly superb. If you do prefer a tablet, Gboard comes as standard and as good as it gets on Android devices, and like the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, the Pixel Slate has a USB Type-C charger, which wasn't present at the demo, and the two ports either side of the body to choose from. The power button itself doubles as a fingerprint scanner, and although it took me a few attempts to get used to, it's fast and easy to register, much like any stock Android device. Whilst the tablet mode is still impressive, I'd say it's not quite the best way to experience the Pixel Slate. The keyboard dock turns a good tablet into a potentially superb ultra-portable laptop hybrid that could and should challenge the Windows Surface devices or even the iPad Pro. Chrome OS and a crossover with Android means that a desktop OS that can utilise tablet and mobile apps, but it just lacks a few killer pieces of software to get me really thinking about ditching my Windows machine. For me, the Pixel Slate was the single most impressive piece of hardware at the Made by Google event. I didn't anticipate that this would be the case, and the customizable specs mean it could match the power and surpass some of similarly priced Windows machines. The addition of Adobe Acrobat for Chrome OS could kickstart big developers porting software to Chrome OS and entice those of us that rely on Pro Tools day to day. Of course, we'd love to know what you think. Let us know how you feel about the Pixel Slate in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe to see our first full review of the device once it becomes available later this year. And finally, this is Damien for 9to5 Google saying thanks again for watching, and I will speak to you later.